It's just fired. It's just fire.
So we got this 2006 SRT8 Jeep Grand Cherokee. We just done twins on it. We're kind of gonna do a quick run through, show you all everything real quick, how it's kind of laid out. So we'll start looking. We'll start in the very back. So we have twin 67mm turbos. We run the dual exhaust off of it. This is a external oil system. This is just for the turbos. Got an oil cooler and stuff on it. All the intake tubes, everything's back here. So what we done this runs actually up to the back, so that way you can feel the oil a lot easier. It's got a quick drain in it. So like I said, we got our filter and stuff. Then we come out of the turbos with charge pipes, okay? It comes up through, down through here, got our wastegates right here, and then it comes up along the frame rail, and then goes up through the fender wells. Now what we'll do is, we'll get out and we'll lower down the Jeep, and we'll show you how it comes up through to the engine bay. So we come up through the fender well, through here to this pipe, got a blow off valve here, catch can here. This is our coolant overflow. We got it mounted in. So then we come down through here, down around to a big 4-core intercooler, and then it loops back up and around and comes up to the intake tube, to the intake manifold. Pretty simple rear mount setup. We just dynoed it, and on 5 pounds it made 486 horsepower. It's a bone stock 6.1. We done some 850cc injectors, just on 93, so definitely pretty simple build, and should be a lot of fun. This thing's all-wheel drive, so definitely will be a lot of fun for the owner. So we're gonna finish getting the bumper and all that on, and then we'll take a little test drive.